Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the priority for a task on ClickUp. So once you're on your home page, you want to locate the task that you want to set the priority for. Look for the column that says priority and you can click on that. Once you click on that, you have a bunch of priority that you can set. So let's say I want to set this priority as urgent. I can click on that and you can see that it's no urgent. You can also open up a task. So I'm going to open up a subtask right here. And here inside it, you can see that I can set the priority as well. It is saying empty because I haven't set any. So I can click there and I can set this to maybe normal, right? And that's it. Now, it doesn't stop there. You can also set priorities for subtasks. So if you scroll down again, you should find your subtask and you can actually set the priority. So this priority, I can just go back here and I can say this one should be high. And that's it. So if you're looking to set priorities on your task, guys, or your subtask, this is how you actually set them. Or if you have an existing task that you don't own, but you want to know the priority, you can always look on the column priority or open up the task and you should see the section called priority and it's going to tell you what the priority of the task is. And that's it.